Good afternoon, students. In this video I am going to tell you about three definitions and the concept related to these definitions. The first one is gravitational field. Okay, so the first concept is gravitational field. Like supposing this is Earth. So in and around the Earth, up to a certain region in space, there is a field which will attract objects towards it. Okay, this space around it is known as the gravitational field, okay, which will attract any object which comes into the region of this field or which comes into this space. Okay, so the space is extended to some kilometers in the atmosphere. Okay, as we go away, the effect will be lesser. Okay, so basically write down the definition of gravitational field. The space around the attracting particle, in which the gravitational force of the particle can be experienced, gravitational force can be experienced, is called gravitational field of that particle, Okay, like supposing here anywhere I keep a particle, it will experience some gravitational field due to this, because the space is all gravitational field. It is the attracting force of the Earth, okay, exerted by the Earth. Okay, now we go for the next concept, gravitational field strength. Now gravitational field strength is same as this concept is same as acceleration due to gravity, that is G, gravitational field strength. Supposing there is a mass m, it will experience a force in the direction of this field, that is the center of the Earth. So this is a force experienced by a mass. Okay, that is what is a gravitational field strength. We have learned F is equal to m into G. So F by m is equal to G. Okay. Now force is in Newton and mass is in kg. So the gravitational field strength SI unit is Newton per kg. Okay. This is basically acceleration due to gravity being explained in different words. Like it is supposing there is a mass in this space of gravitational field, it will be attracted by a force, that is gravitational field strength. Okay. Now wherever the mass is kept, accordingly the strength will vary. Now write down the definition. The force experienced by a unit mass, unit mass means it has to be 1 gram or 1 kg. Okay. Placed at a point, force experienced by a unit mass placed at a point in a gravitational field, is called gravitational field strength, or intensity due to gravitational field, Okay, this is the force experienced by a unit mass. Now let us do one thing. Let us write down the formula for force between two objects. Like Earth is one mass or two masses. Earth is one mass and this whichever mass is falling down. Suppose it is a big stone. Okay, this is another mass. So we have this formula which we have done in earlier classes. Gmm upon r square. It is a force, attracting force that bigger mass puts on this mass, that is Earth puts on this mass, and this mass also puts on Earth. Okay, so this is a force, that is gravitational universal this is the universal gravitational law by Newton. Okay, this is my force. Now if I put it here, it will give me Gmm r square, and this m I carry forward here equal to small g. Okay. Now my m will get cancelled, so I get another formula for small g, that is Gm by r square. So gravitational field strength formula can be written in two ways, F by m, or it can be written as Gm by r square. Okay. So these are the two ways. So just note both the formulas. Okay. Now we go for the next concept, gravitational potential. Okay. Now supposing, for example, this mass is located somewhere at infinity. Infinity means very far distance. Okay, infinity doesn't mean another galaxy. It means very far distance. Okay, so this is a mass which is located at a very far off distance. Okay, some work is to be done if we want to bring it in this gravitational field. So work done to bring a mass from very far off, or a particle from very far off distance to within the field, space around it within the field. Okay, from infinity to within the field or within the known point which has gravitational field is known as gravitational potential. So this is the next topic. Sorry, it is the next definition. This is gravitational potential. Gravitational potential is given as capital V. It is the work done to bring a mass from infinity to a point in the gravitational field. Okay. Now, there is another thing. Whenever we are bringing something, okay, according to the sign conventions, we give it a negative sign. Okay, so we always give it a negative sign. So gravitational potential, whenever you are bringing an object from infinity towards the field, gravitational field of any planet, okay, or any star, okay, you give it a negative sign. Okay, gravitational potential will be negative. And if we are taking something from the gravitational field away, then we write it as a positive quantity. Okay, so bringing something means from far off to the field, it is negative. Basically this is a scalar quantity and the unit is joule per kg. Okay. One another thing, gravitational field strength is a vector quantity. Okay. Please note it in gravitational field strength G, small g. This one is a scalar quantity, is the amount of work done to take an object. Please write down the definition. The work done in bringing the unit mass, from infinity to a point, in gravitational field, is called gravitational potential at that point. It is a scalar quantity. Its unit is joule per kg. Okay. So basically when we bring something, supposing this is a point A in the field. This is the space, gravitational field exists here in this space. We are bringing something from infinity to this point A. Okay, this is my gravitational potential. It is considered to be negative. Only if I am taking the mass away from the gravitational field, it is positive in nature. Okay.